Hi folks, welcome to Cancer Healing Vlogs. This is Dr. Omar Bali talking about what kind of samples we get in cytopathology. Well, the samples that you get in cyto are very similar to what you get in histopathology, although like you must have seen in my previous video about what is the concept of cytopathology. You are taking a sample, you are observing a lesion which is mostly superficial, mostly on the surface of the body, and sometimes even deeper, but mostly the surface masses. And what you're looking at is whether it may be a mass on the arms or legs, or it may be in the abdomen, it may be on the head and neck area. Ultimately, what's happening is that you don't need to undergo a surgery for a cytopathology sample. So even just lymph node, if a swelling is there in lymph node and you're suspecting it's a very hard swelling and if there's no pain, you're trying to see whether it's just a simple infection or whether it's some kind of a tumor that you need to be concerned about. So things like that is what cytopathology can serve as a purpose for diagnosis. Even in cytopathology, there are samples of pap smear. There is also a sample of a fluid which may be from a tap, a pleural tap or a ascitic tap. That is when there is a fluid in the stomach region, abdomen region, or fluid in the lung region, in the pleura. And then of course there is also the CSF from the sample which is collected from the spinal cord, that the entire lumbar puncture, that's where you remove the CSF fluid. So that could also be observed in cytopathology. Whatever you're suspecting, based on that, this is the concept by which, and then there could be multiple diseases within each. Each of them could have their own different diagnosis. Hope this gives you some new insight. Cheers, take care.